Hi, let's see how to automate complete package creation process. Let me go through this. Let me run this and I'll get a screen. Okay, I'll keep it on the left hand side. This is a screen. I'll go to source path, go to FileZilla 2.2L. I'll select, don't worry about the versions. Click on this. The moment I clicked on this, you can see that package is populated, company is populated, product is populated, version number, and there is a button. I'll click on create package. The moment I create package, you can see that package is getting created and it started install program created. Say let me expand so that it will be easy for you to refer it. It's keep on running. Let it run. Okay, package created successfully. You can see it took about 42 seconds to complete all the tasks. Create package, you can see that package create package started and the package creation completed. After that package, you know that you'll have to create install program, available you need to create install and uninstall program. Mostly it is done. That is next, it has taken distributed content to the required DB, collections created, deployment created, and collection membership rules are added. Collections move to the right folder because normally SCM will not allow you to create collections inside the folder. What you have to do is you have to move it yourself when you're automating. I can see entire thing is completed. Now let's go to, let me open a console and let's see FileZilla. What is the version it is? 2.12.1.0. If I go here, console, software related applications, packages, you can see 2.12 dot created, and you can it created all 4 programs for us. Available, install, OSD, uninstall, and the deployment. Again, for the deployment it created a collections. If I go here, deployments, for which one is that? Okay, 212. It created all the collections. You can see that it has referred collections as well. Membership role, include, exclude collections. Whatever the exclude collections are added under the exclude collections. In uninstallations were added, uninstallation is added. You can see that we can complete the activity in just 42 seconds, close to a minute. This is how automations works. Of course you have a question like that, how can I do this automations, right? This is a front end. It's very simple, minimalistic front end, no fancy icons, nothing. It's just bare minimum. Because this is a path. The moment you open the path, it gives all the details. Select DP and it runs. It keeps on running. If you want to give a try, I can say that let's take a copy, just a reference anyways. I'll say 889. It came, no problem. I'll just delete it. Okay, select it. 89.02, just a file. I'll click on create. Again it started. See, it's running. Package created, distribution point added, collections created, membership rules configured. It's keep on running step by step. So if you want to cross check, if I go to software packages, so 89 it is created, it's distributing it. Also in few seconds it's moving. Okay, because by default it will create a collections in the root. It is all moved. Move collection succeeded, total 24 seconds, it's done. And the move package also done. If I refresh, I think it's moved to 89. Yeah, it's moved. FileZilla, you can see it's here, and distribution points already updated. This is how automation works. So now let me go through this actual automation. So what and all we have written, I don't want to make it complicated, I'm keeping it simple. The 11th version and the public, and under the package you can see create package. If I go here, right, this is a complete automations. You can see these are the total 100 lines of code, 96, which helps us to automate the process. Don't think that you will have to write these many codes then you will be able to create an automation package. No, definitely it's not an ideal scenario, if you don't know, what is begin, what is process, or try catch exceptions, for you the best option is try with the single line command. This is a console. Okay, I'll tell you where how to open. Click on the leftmost corner, open PowerShell ISC. It'll by default it'll give all the details. Let me run this. It came into PS1 drive. Let's create a simple task. Now how can I create collection? Very simple. New CM device collection minus name, my test collection. Okay, and you know that you'll have to give a limiting collection name. By default I'll give all systems. I'll select this and I'll run. See, within a second we have a collection ready. If I refresh it, it is just refreshing it. Yeah, it refreshed. You can see that update time 6:8:12 and 1:39 p.m. So how simple is this? Just you need to run this command. You may have a question saying that how can I create a complete package? You have a two options. One, this is how you have written a collections command. You can write new CM package and supply all the required informations and run a command. Second one is, which I would prefer, you can see here, you can see this is the function I've written all the details here so that collections gets created. All right, thank you. I'll try to bring more and more automations for especially for SCCM and Intune, Azure as well. Let's see how things works. Thanks.